James Kozak. I made this from driftwood from um,
Laingsburg.
Laingsburg flood. It came all the way to the Western Cape, and I thought of waiting for the flood to subside so I can get the wood that came from Laingsburg in it. It came there by Gourits River, there in the Western Cape, there in Riversdale, and I decided to carve this from a root. And this is now the part of the crucifix, Jesus king, the king of the Jews, and Jesus saves. And if you turn it other way around, that's what means new birth. It's a chicken. And so somebody else told me that it can also have another meaning to it. So if you turn it other way around, it becomes Noah's Ark. So the symbolic of this whole work of art, you can't make it different ones like that because the symbolic of this Noah's Ark, it means it floated with the flood, and the flood took over the earth to kill all the evil people in it. So if you make others, it hasn't got the same meaning what this one has got. That's why I don't make others. If it's a flood wood, then I can make these from the flood wood, not from natural wood. But this is made from the root of a tree.